thank you for joining my channel. My name is Chichi. Thank you so much. So today we're gonna be cooking, we're gonna be shopping, and we're gonna be I'll go to church, cook egusi soup, I'm gonna cook rice and beans, I'm gonna cook fried rice, I'm gonna cook stew, I'm gonna prepare meat. So all of this activity for the weekend cooking here in Moncton, Canada. Thank you so much for joining my channel. My name is Chichi. I love you to subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Thank you. See you. Bye.
In the day of trouble, you conceal me under the cover of His day. You will lift me high up on the road. You will lift me high up on the road. He knows what's in the darkness.
Just trying to prepare.
And the light draws within. He's God. He's God. He's God.
Green peppers, maize, and birds.
Why do you stand far away, oh Lord? Why do you hide in times of trouble? God will judge the wicked and defend His people. God will judge the wicked and defend His people. Oh God.
Hey.
Oh. Okay. This. What a.
Shelter in the day of trouble.
Don't let him play with it.
Conceal me under the cover of His day.
That's bathroom. Don't scatter it. Don't scatter them. It has to be arranged. I don't want it messy. Bathroom.
And the light draws with He's God.
This is tiny.
What is this? What's this? Oh, this is the mixing thing.
Okay.
Try it on.
No. Pick. We need to.
Give me. Hey, stop. Oh, there's another one.
Please put everything in the nylon. I don't want it mixed.
Look.
Put everything in the nylon now.
Oh, sorry. What is this?
My cup. It's for me.
Oh. Can I use the other one?
No. Hurry up. Please let them be in the nylon. Arrange them. I don't want them scattered. Put them back. What else?
My Lord, my God, my everything, my Lord, my forever.
Wow.
My love, my God, my everything, my love,
Can I have it?
No.
my deliverer. I love you, 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 Lord. My forever.
What's that? Don't open anything like that.
I
This
need
for me
you,
is my
I need
writing
you, I
part.
need you, I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you, Lord. My forever, yeah.
So they are tiny. Oh my God. This and they sold it expensive. So this is tiny towel. Oh my. I thought it's bathing towel that would be.
God's love is unconditional.
Please don't mix up everything.
Unending, unmistakable.
How many? So of them. Okay. Put them in the pack. In the pack
We are
back.
beloved. The blessing of the Lord is
Turn them back.
upon me.
This one is for the bathroom. So
I'm blessed in the name of the Lord.
hang it in the bathroom.
I love you, 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 I love
What's this one
I
for?
love you.
Oh, it's for it. It's for hooking it.
My
Right?
forever.
Bathroom now, for the
I
bathroom.
need you.
Shower
I
stand.
need you. I need you. I need you. My forever. My love, my good, my everything, my
This
love.
is Shaki. This is snail.
My forever.
We have snail there. We have meat. We have
My
goat
love, my God,
meat. Meat
my
stuff.
everything, my
Fried
love,
rice.
my
We
deliverer.
are about to prepare egusi.
I love you, 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 I love you,
Vegetables.
my forever.
So we're gonna prepare egusi now.
I need you, 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 I need you,
what are you
I need you, my forever, yeah.
Lizzie, 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 baby Lizzie. Papa, Papa, Papa.
Cause love is unconditional, unending, and unmistakable. We are beloved, the blessing of the Lord is upon me. I bless you in the name of the Lord. I love you, 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 I love you,
This egusi,
my
this
forever.
is meat.
Yeah.
So look
I
at
need
this.
you, I need you, I need you, I need you, Lord.
Shaki.
My
This is
forever.
shaki. This is goat meat. This is fish. This is chicken. This is liver. So we're gonna use it to prepare our egusi soup. So I'm frying this with palm oil, red oil, palm oil from African store. Thank you. Thank you. So we're about to add the egusi and the crayfish. You get? So let me increase the light a bit. So let me just add some crayfish, then add the egusi. I just want to add half of this so that I can use it another time. I think half of this is okay. I will up to half of this. So we turn it. Come and look at the soup. We turn it. I've already added the pepper, the blended pepper. I added the blended pepper and the onion to it. So after which we turn it. We turn this. After which I'm going to pour what? Meat stock. Let's keep this aside. I'm going to add my meat stock.
Sing with me, spirit
I just want
sound.
to fry it.
Sing with me, spiritual
I'm allowing
sound.
fry a bit. Then I'm going to
For
add
the
my
healing
meat
of your
stock.
spirit,
So let me just add my meat stock.
for the healing of the soul, for the healing of your body, your mind.
I'm just going to mix
Speak to me, spirit
some
sound,
meat
spiritual
stock.
sound.
Thank you.
Speak to me, spirit sound, spiritual
So
sound.
I'm adding, I want to add
Alabaya
vegetables.
to yo bobo yo
So
to.
I've washed it.
Ani
Adding
ani ani.
vegetable.
Bale, bale, bale.
This
spiritual sound. Spirit sound, spiritual sound. Jelia Baba, Tutu Yana, Kelava Shani. Shini Abaite, Yana. Speak to me, spiritual sound. Sing and make music for your heart. Spirit sound, spiritual sound. Spirit sound, spiritual sound. Follow your speak to me, spiritual sound. Spirit sound, spirit sound. Ki, Kani mani kalabatu. Sheni ani vedeleja. Sheni ani ababa katayate. Mi, sheni ani anababu. Pi, kalabada da gaji. Mani, mi, si, ti, ta. Keni alababa kani. Sha, mi, ka. Sing with me, spirit sound. Sing with me, spiritual sound. For the healing of your spirit. For the healing of the soul. For the healing of your body, your mind. Speak to me, spirit sound, spiritual sound. Speak to me, spirit sound, spiritual sound. Malavaya to yo bobo yo to. Mani anis. Bale.
Say hi. Later. Hi.
Spirit sound, spiritual sound.
Come.
Spirit sound, spiritual sound.
What later? Hi. He's sleeping. Fast asleep. Yeah.
Kani mani kalabatu. Sheni ani vejeleja. Sheni ani ababa katayate. Mi sheni ani anababu. Pi kalabada da baji. Mani mi si ti ta. Keni alababa kani. Sha mi ka.